What is a backdoor Roth IRA? A backdoor Roth IRA consists of two moves. You contribute post-tax money into a traditional IRA and then later convert it into a Roth IRA. Why do such a thing? Firstly, consider that the Roth IRA allows one to grow their dollars tax-free. However, there are income limits that must be satisfied for one to contribute to a Roth IRA. For example, in year 2021, if you are filing as a single person and made a modified adjusted gross income, or MAGI for short, of more than $125,000, then you will not be able to contribute the full $6,000 contribution limit into the Roth IRA. If you are above $140,000, sorry, you can't contribute to the Roth IRA at all. However, the traditional IRA does not impose such income limits. So no matter how much you earn, you can still contribute to a traditional IRA. As of 2021, the maximum contribution limit is $6,000. Therefore, this tax loophole allows high-income earners to indirectly contribute to a Roth IRA via this method called the backdoor Roth IRA. Okay, cool. What are the tax implications though? Are you supposed to be taxed on this event? No! Because you are contributing post-tax money into your traditional IRA and then merely converting that into a Roth IRA. Let me repeat. Post-tax money means you already paid taxes on it. One caveat though, this is true as long as, while the dollars are sitting in your traditional IRA, they did not appreciate in value. If they did, then the gains will be taxed. One more thing to watch out for is that for this conversion to be tax-free, you have to make sure your traditional, simple, and set IRA does not have any dollars at all by the end of the year that you did the Roth IRA conversion. If this is not true, then something called the pro rata rule will kick in, which means your conversion now will be prorated so that a portion of it comes from tax-deferred money and a portion of it comes from post-tax money. This video will not talk about how those taxes are calculated when the pro rata rule applies. Alright, so that is basically the backdoor Roth IRA in a nutshell. Click here to learn how you can do a backdoor Roth IRA on a broker like Vanguard. Click here to learn how to do your backdoor Roth IRA taxes properly. I'll see you there.